DLAA integrates design, manufacturing, sales, and service with worldwide vision and independent research and development. DLAA cooperates with famous international OEMs to provide the best solution of light source application. DLAA staffs its team with the best designers, experienced engineers, and well-trained employees. DLAA ensures the best team through continuous training and investments. DLAA has imported high-tech equipment, including the high-efficiency UV coating line and automatic production line. Our factory includes the entire manufacturing chain, from mold workshop, injection workshop, SMT line, coating line, to the assembly line. Our quality and accuracy control is unparalleled.